Most people think they need willpower to change their life. But what if all you needed was 2 minutes a day? This tiny habit rewires your brain in just 2 minutes a day. Everyone loves setting big goals. New year, new plan, new you. But the brain, it hates change. And the bigger the goal, the more resistance it creates. That's why most people give up before they even start. Mark promised himself every Monday, "This is the week I start." Gym, journal, healthy food. By Wednesday, he was back on the couch with pizza. Not because he didn't care, but because the mountain was too steep. Lisa didn't chase big changes. She just made one simple rule. Open the book. No pressure, no expectations, just 2 minutes. And day by day, her brain stopped resisting. Soon she was reading 20 minutes daily without even trying. The 2-minute habit says, just begin. Forget pressure, forget perfection. You don't need motivation, just momentum. If you want to write, open the document and type one word. If you want to walk, put on your shoes and step outside. That small action sends a powerful message to your brain. I'm doing this. Start the habit and let it grow naturally, 1 minute at a time. When you start small, your brain doesn't panic. There's no fear, no pressure, no fight or flight response. Just a calm signal that says, this is safe. That's when action becomes possible. Simple action, done consistently, builds trust between you and your brain. And each tiny success rewires your mind, making the next step easier and more automatic. Tiny habits work because they create a reliable loop. Cue, action, reward. When you open the notebook and write just one sentence, your brain says, I did it. That tiny win triggers dopamine. You feel satisfied. Your brain craves more. Next time, it feels easier. Soon it becomes automatic, part of who you are. Repetition wires it in. Mark stopped setting huge goals. Instead of forcing a 5K run, he just put on his shoes and walked around the block. No pressure, no shame, just action. 2 minutes became 5, then 20. 3 months later, Mark had lost 7 kilograms. More importantly, he built momentum, because the habit was small enough to stick and strong enough to grow. Lisa didn't stop with reading. She added journaling, just 2 minutes a day, then stretching in the morning, a short meditation before bed, nothing overwhelming. But stacked together, these habits created structure, clarity, and calm. Not powered by willpower or motivation, but by rhythm, the natural flow of consistency. And that rhythm built her momentum and quiet confidence. Your brain isn't fixed. It's rewiring itself all the time, especially through repetition. Tiny habits create new neural pathways. Each time you repeat a simple action, the signal gets stronger. Eventually, the brain says, this is who I am now. That's neuroplasticity. Not magic, just biology. And 2 minutes a day is enough to begin rewiring your life. Stop waiting for motivation. Pick one thing you want to become. Break it into a 2-minute action. Read one page. Stretch for 120 seconds. Open your journal. That's how it starts. You're not building a perfect routine. You're building identity. Do it daily. Let the habit grow. And a few months from now, you won't believe where you started. Subscribe for more simple ways to master your life.